Upo muna. Doon mama pwede
Pero
ka
dili,
makaupo.
dili. Hindi, dili. Pwede, dili. Kumuhan.
Pwede ka makaupo
Lumingkod.
doon, ma'am.
Mapas, o dili. Dito man.
Ayun o, maganda maupo doon. Kaya ka muna.
Pagod na siya.
Ang init eh. Para ako sinisilaban.
Wala ka kasi dala pala pumaypay mo.
Pupunta pa tayo sa ano. Model farm.
Doon parang malilim na yun. Malilim naman ito kasi ano.
Sayang po ma'am, papahinga lang.
Sige lang po.
Pagod na.
Baka po madumi po dyan ah.
Hindi naman po. Parang muna titingin-tingin.
Durian sir, puno ng durian.
May bunga.
Wala po eh, tapos na sir.
Tapos na yung season.
Mga 2 months pa po from now. Pero kasi pag may bunga yan siya sir, madalas napuputol yung mga sanga niya, sobrang bigat.
Sa ano pa sa laki. Village.
Mababa lang siya kasi ano po, green grass. Sige po, pag okay na po, proceed lang po dito po.
Apo.
Antayin ko lang po kayo dito.
Apo ma'am. Tara. Malamig pa dili.
Ano man didi at makikita?
Mga kuhan. May nanira kuhan.
Ayaw na rin ako makapoy.
Sinabit na lang.
Picture ka na lang sir, tapos send mo kay ma'am. Send mo sa akin ni ma'am.
Ako na lang ma'am. Pagod na sila eh.
Oo, wala din po dito.
Sabihan ko. Uupo lang dito din. Uupo lang dito din. Tapos manunod lang tayo sa kanila. Para mag-storytelling lang sila. Storytelling lang ng ano nila, buhay ng mga
Tribal.
tribal. Oh, may electric fan pa. Yan po tayo.
Upo na po kayo.
Dito ako sa electric fan.
Bukas ko po yung electric fan.
Dito na ako. Yung kamara, huwag dyan. Para makita mo sila.
Saan po ba kayo?
Ba't wala?
Hindi yun pa nandar niya eh. Ah,
Bakit nyo na lang po?
Ano mo dito nga? Dito na ito. Nakatutok ka sa pan.
electric fan na.
Oo, bakit nyo na? Kasi hindi pa kami nakasimula mag-culture and sharing. Okay.
Dito ba sila sa pula?
Temporary
Dito,
lang.
dito ba?
Temporary.
Temporary lang po.
Bakit temporary? Saan?
Uuwi rin yan sila ma'am sa Southern Park po yan sila ng Palawan at Patera.
Sa Brooks?
Brooks po ako. Sa Brooks po yan din sa Quezon.
Sino yung kapira dyan?
Yung alin po, yung mga bahay na po. Sila po.
Yun ang sila yan.
Yung mga sakit, mga po, hindi naman sila nakatira dyan. Antayin lang po natin yung isa, bakit na.
Sila ng ano? Ano?
Yung mga product din kanina sa baba ma'am.
Ano ginagawa nila?
Nag-share po ng culture.
No?
Culture.
Culture.
Tsaka ng mga kultura at saka tradition po.
Ano ibig sabihin? Why sila? Ano ginagawa nila?
Yun nga ma'am.
Yun lang, nagsishare lang sila ng ano.
Pag may guest po.
Pag may guest.
Sila po ay umuwi din sa pera nila sa mga. Lalo po ngayong katapusan na iuwi po yan sa
Ano school of you?
Tapos another set of
You belong to attended.
of their family naman din bababa.
Responsible.
Ah, okay.
Salitan po sila.
Salit-salitan sila.
Anak nila yun.
Opo.
Anong pagkakaiba nila sa atin?
So what do you mean sa atin?
Ha?
May sarili silang dialect. Number 1 po yun.
Parang sila yung native dito.
Isa
Pinaka-native.
po sir, kasi we have 7 tribes and 3 neighbors.
Ano
7 tribe po ang meron dito sa amin. Kasi di po
Dito
ba
sa Palawan.
Isla-isla. 7 tribe. Sa Palawan po may 7 tribe. Di ba po kasi may mga isla-isla pa tayo, may Dinapakan, may Tuyo, may ayun, tatlo po na major, yung pinakamatagal ito, namumuhay sa ito ng thousands out.
Kalawaan, di ba?
Kalauan, Tagbanwa, Batak.
Kalawaan.
Tagbanwa, Batak. You can sit
Hi,
down now,
sir.
sir.
Kasi dati daw, yung nakatira daw doon sa lupa ko, mga
Taga saan po?
tagbanoy, taga-plate po.
May lupa sa may San Manuel.
Kasi dun sa San Manuel, na dati-dati daw, bago natirahan itong mga ano yun, ay mga tribes,
Mga tribes yung nakatira
Ano
dyan.
pong tribe, ma'am?
Hindi namin alam. Basta mga tribe yung nakatira
Okay,
dyan.
so we will start our cultural sharing now.
meron doon nakatira.
Opo.
Nasa San Manuel, barangay na.
Until now po. No.
Wala na.
Alam ngayon, mga ano po,
Hindi na mga tribe nakatira dun.
Sa ano na, sa ano na, halo-halo.
Opo.
ang pinuntaan ko dito.
Oh, okay.
Yung mismo nakatira doon, mga illegal settlers, sila na yung bibili.
Mag-sharing na.
Opo. So they are the Palauan tribe. They are the original inhabitants of the southern part po. Yes, ma'am, Palauan. And also, this village po is their temporary home or shelter since 1976. Different families of them that had been coming and visiting to this place po. Iba-ibang pamilya na nila. They're already the third and fourth generation po
Okay.
that have been participating in this livelihood program po. And what we have here po is a livelihood program. They can earn money here po kasi at the end of the month, they have a good share on this livelihood program. And at the same time po, they can share cultures and traditions to the local and foreign guests po.
So whatever sales, they get a part of it. Para
Yes
sa
po,
kanila.
opo ma'am. Yeah, they have half of it po.
How do we uplift the lives of these people? Kasi don't tell me na hanggang ngayon, palauan pa rin sila.
Yes po, they live like that po until now. But maybe in the thousands of them po, some of them, they adopt modernization. They had life modernization. But the others po, they don't want to. So it's their choice po. ma'am,
Depende
of
sa
course, if they
kanila.
want to adopt modernization or
Kasi
not.
hindi ba naging civilized?
Yes, ma'am. The others po, maybe the 25% of the tribe po, they are now civilized. They go to school na po, ma'am. They have an access of education na po. Yes.
Yun ang sinasabi ko kasi as the years go, hindi naman pwede
Nandun lang talaga sila. Yes po. They're raised in the law. No
Pero
po.
yung kumbaga yung pinakalahi nila, pinakaninuno nila, ma'am, yun pa rin sila.
Yes po. And
Yung mga bagong henerasyon
yung
nila.
generation na dumadating, they have to go to
they have
school.
an access on education. It's their choice if they want to adopt life modernization. Yes, ma'am. It depends on them, of course. If they want to, they will. If they not, they don't want. If they don't want to, that's their choice. So yes po. Maybe the 25% of this tribe, they already adopt life modernization. They have life modernization. They have gadgets now. They have electricities. They live in the lowland po. They have an access of education. Yung iba po, they already finished studying. But it depends on them, of course. If they want, they will.
As technology, advancement technology,
Yes po, opo.
they cannot just stay there. They have to be educated. They have to be cultured. Kasi
Yes po, opo. So they adapt life modernization little by little. Opo. Very bad thing.
Pero we have professionals.
Yes, they have na po my teachers. They have, you can hold it, they have police. You can pass it to the others. That's one of their very important traditional product. One of their source of income. That's bagtik. It's a resin or a sap of a tree. It came from a huge tree that called Almasika. Some of the locals call Almasika. Bagtik.
Bagtik.
It's a tree sap or purong dagta. Dagta ng puto.
Yung salong.
Different tree. Different kaiba po.
So, how does it work?
Narinig ko na yan.
So that's the
Also.
main ingredients for making our fiberglass varnish, nail polish po, paints, rugbies, and other related products. So, no, that's for our cultural sharing po, ma'am. But the tribe po, they're the one who collect those bagtik in the mountain. They bring it here in the lowland so that the manufacturer can buy it. They're
Okay.
the collectors of that.
But how about
The old one, the
how
old one.
about their old folks? Their old,
The seniors. The
They still do
seniors.
it now. Yes po, like yung mga dance, ganyan, ma'am. They still do it now po.
yung mga matatanda na sa kanila,
It depends po.
generation
They I think second, the first generation they already died. The second or
How long have
they live.
this been operation?
This one, this village po. Since 1976 po. But the cultural sharing open in the public in 2014. The cultural sharing po is about 10, 11 years. But the tribe po, they go here since 1976. Yes po. Okay, and this is their native backpack. So they use this to carry their product like the bagtik.
Ah.
It depends, ma'am. So they just put the product here, and if it's full, they tidy it up here like this one.
That's how they carry
Their product, yes po. Their root, their hand, best
Okay.
crops, to bagtiks, it depends. Okay, then they have a head support
How
also.
about their everyday
Like
living?
here or in the mountain. Here po or in the mountain.
Here.
Here po, they just there. They're on duty at 8 to 5 p.m. Sharing their cultures to the local and foreign guests. They buy. We give them money and they buy their own food. We give them money and they buy their own food. It depends on what they want.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Staying idle, they have to do something.
it depends po. Some of them, because they have children here po eh. So yeah, some of them
Nag-aaral na din lahat ng mga parents dito.
yung mga dito naman kasi mga babies pa hindi.
Ito ang mga katulad dito.
Yes, opo. She's Clarissa. She has an access of education. But she already stopped because of financial problem.
So,
but next year she will
How about the professionals? Are they going out for work?
not the scholarship.
Nag-work na yung mga professionals din?
Yes po. They have a teachers na po, policeman, it depends.
Ano po?
Yes po, opo.
Saan man sila nag-aaral?
In the public schools po, here in the, not here in the city, but
Depende.
in their own municipality.
Okay.
So, in public schools.
Sa South sila, ma'am.
South.
Sa Brooks Point.
Brooks and Rizal. Brooks Point,
Malayo
Rizal,
yun.
Palawan, Quezon,
Yun yung
Palawan.
sa Blue Palawan na sinasabi?
Sorry po?
Blue Palawan?
No, I'm not sure.
Hanggang ko kasi may narinig akong ganyan eh. Na, Blue Palawan, ano ba yung Blue Palawan?
Okay, then now they will play some of their musical instruments. They have their native drum po. Tan pabili din baltan. And they have an agong orgong. Man, pabili agong man. That's agong. And the smaller ones are sana. Okay, ma'am and sir, they will going to play those instruments together. So they call the set basal.
Basa.
Before, but for now, yeah, they wear normal clothes like us. Yeah. At the end of the day po, or if the duties ready finish, they will change and the normal clothes. That's their traditional clothes. It's called bahan. I know po you're familiar because here in Palawan po, here in the Philippines, all of the tribes here, they wear that.
Bag.
Okay, so here po they don't dance to entertain guests because they do believe that tribal dances are rituals, which
Okay.
means sacred for them.
Apo.
They only dance their mom when they have ritual events, like they have weddings, good harvestings, prayers, and many more. Okay, then they have their own native guitar. That's Kujapi or Kutunan. It's considered as one of the first guitar here in the Philippines. It's just 2 strings.
Two strings.
Yes po. And they're going to play a music also. It's a bogit song, which means in English is bird song.
Bird song.
Two strings lang.
Ayan.
Okay, then they have an Sir Ma'am, the Arading po. It made out from a piece of palm tree. Then they put beeswax to adjust the sounds. They play the Arading through the vibration of their mouth.
Ayun yun.
Di ba ma'am, yung mga meeting na ganyan, yung mga talent na ano, di ba?
Okay, and then, back in the mountain, aside from the air music lover, the Palau and tribesmen po are hunter-gatherers. So, back in the mountain po, they hunt animals because it's part of their diet for survival. Okay, then in the mountain po, they use as sapupan or sumpit, blowpipes or blow darts. And they will show you how they use blowpipes back in the mountain. Mananday na tang pisa. Just look at that drawing. That's their target. At the carton. They will going to hit it.
Ano yung tinatawag na supok, di ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Galing ah.
Ano yun?
That's how they hunt animals in the mountain po. They use it to hunt animals po. Okay, then, when they're hunting big animals like monkeys, wild pigs, they put some poison. And their poison is coming from land po. Yes po, may bala. Okay, then, their poison is effective and powerful because once they use dark sweet poison, the target will die after a few minutes. But they can safely eat the meat po. They just need to wash it with running water and they cook it. But if they accidentally hit human, it will die also. Okay, like what I said earlier po, in this cultural sharing, they have a good share. In this livelihood program, they have a good share. Because from the entrance fee, half that goes to the tribe.
Okay.
And if you avail their product, the pictures, they have a good share on that. Also, and from that donation box, because their daily allowance came from that donation box.
Can you have a picture with them?
Yes, later I'll give you time to take pictures together with the tribe. I'll give you time later.
Just there?
Just there in their house po. There in the house.
Bye.
Later po.
Later pa daw. Later
May
pa.
last part pa po ng
Mamaya pa.
presentation.
May ano pa.
Okay, he's going to show to you how they make fire naman. As a tribe, they have their own way and the process called santikan.
Kaya pala may entrance sila. Kasi may binubuhay sila sa loob. Dapat lang. Pero at least natutulungan sila. You're not encouraging them to be lazy. They really have to produce something. So that we can also outlive yung ating mga kailangan.
Ang ginagamit nila, ma'am? Parang
They use a piece of metal, flint stone, native cotton, and dry grasses. Actually, ma'am, some of them, they go here because they want to buy something. And then if they already buy that something, they will go back home. Number one of that is if
Galing.
they go here to buy cell phone. If they want to go home, they will go home. If they already buy cell phone, they will go home. And then they sell the cell phone back in the mountain, and then they go back again here to buy the cell phone.
Hindi nila silang mga cellphone.
Some of them, they have it.
galing,
They
oh.
go here
Nakausok
to
na.
buy cell phone.
Nakapausok na.
Then
May
they will
apoy
go
na.
back home na, then they sell
Galing.
the cell phone, and then they go here again to buy again.
Yung fire na ito.
Galing.
Namin.
Metal
Bakal
nga.
po, bato, cotton, and tuyong gamot.
Galing.
Nakaka-build sila ng apoy.
Kaya nga, pero
Di mo natan?
Ayan lang yung
Isa po
ano.
natan.
pero pag nakikihalubilo yan sila ma'am
Yan
sa
lang
mga
na,
ano,
ito lang yata ang ginagamit nila dun eh.
That's the salong or sahin.
or the ano,
That's their torch po back in the mountain.
Yan lang yata ang ginagamit nila.
It smells good po. It smells
Parang
good.
ano, parang insinso.
Parang
Yes po.
Parang insinso yung
Okay,
insinso.
then, that's all for our cultural sharing po.
Yay.
Here at the back, we have a lot of information. Then if you want to donate, we have our donation box later on. Okay, then, I'll give you time now to take